Hey, what's up guys, Prabhat here. Finally we have the Galaxy S10 Plus and I'm here with some tips and tricks to enhance your user experience with it. I'm pretty sure you already know quite a few of them, but if you come from any other Android device or iPhone, this video will surely help you learn more about this device. By the way, these are some awesome wallpapers designed for the S10 hole punch display. I think it's really cool. Links are in the description if you want to try this out. Also, I have a separate video coming up for the S10 camera tips and tricks. So hit that like button, subscribe for upcoming S10 videos, and let's get started with this video. Starting with the home screen. Swiping down on the home screen will take you to the app drawer, so will swiping up. But why not make it more functional? So instead of launching the app drawer, it would make more sense to draw the notification bar. Tap and hold onto the home screen, go to home screen settings. Here you can choose your app layout, grid sizes, etc. Scroll down and here you can see enable quick open notification panel. So enabling this will launch your notification panel when you swipe down on your home screen. This makes single-handed uses more convenient. Again, going on to the home screen settings, if you enable lock home screen layout, this will lock your apps on your home screen so that you cannot change its layout. This feature is really useful if you're handing your phone to your kids so that they don't mess up your app's layout. Third is the landscape mode. Now you can turn your home screen into landscape mode if you wish to, as auto rotation does not change the home screen to landscape. Again, this can be done from the home screen settings. So go to the home screen settings, scroll all the way down and enable rotate to landscape mode. And there you have it. Moving on to Bixby Home and the Bixby Button. I'm pretty sure a lot of us might not use Bixby. So to disable Bixby Home, tap and hold the home screen, swipe to the left and disable Bixby Home. And for the Bixby Button, we accidentally launched Bixby while trying to adjust the volume or while gaming. But with the new update, this button can be remapped. Go to Settings, Advanced Features, and here you have Bixby key. What you can do is, you can choose double press to open Bixby. This way, a single press won't activate Bixby. Problem solved. Else you can have any of your favorite app to launch on single press. So for example, double press for Bixby and single press for Instagram. Or you can only enable double press for Bixby just in case if you want to avoid any action with a single press. While on advanced features, if you scroll down, you have the option to reduce animations. This will reduce the overall motion effects to give you a more smoother user experience. Below that, you have Dual Messenger. Basically, this feature clones your social apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, so that you can simultaneously run two accounts. Since this device supports dual SIM, Dual Messenger makes a lot of sense as you can have two WhatsApp account or Viber account on a single phone. Next up is dark mode. With the One UI, Samsung introduced the dark mode. If you go to Settings, Display, here you can enable the night mode. You can also do this from the notification panel toggles. Since the S10 has an AMOLED panel, all the blacks on your display means the pixels are off, hence adding up to your battery life, and it's soothing to your eyes as well. The whole UI goes dark from your notification panel to settings to apps. Talking about the edge screen panel, the features are similar to previous Galaxy devices. You can basically customize the edge lighting and the panels as per your preference. Same goes for the always on display. Nothing's new here. I will add the links in the description to my older videos just in case if you want to check that out. While at display settings, we also have full screen gestures. Under navigation bar, you can enable full screen gestures to get more screen real estate. Instead of the navigation buttons, you now navigate through gestures. You can also enable touch sensitivity right from the display settings. If you use screen protectors, due to the curves on the edges, the tempered glass might sometimes ruin the touch experience. Hence, enabling this will make a smooth typing and interacting experience even with a screen protector. A quick tip here is the new ultrasonic fingerprint sensor works with wet hands. Even if you have oil or moisturizer, it works flawless. Next up is the built-in hardware checker. If you type *#0* on your dialer, you get a built-in hardware checker just to check whether your device has any defect or not. From dead pixels to sensors, mic test, speaker test, etc., you can check them all without any software. Next up is Recycle Bin. Go to Gallery, hit the menu button, and here you can see Trash. So just in case if you accidentally delete pictures, you can restore it from here or erase it from trash to completely remove it. Well, that was it for this video, guys. If you find any helpful tips, useful tips, please share through your comments. I have a separate video on camera tips and tricks which is coming up shortly. So stay tuned and I will catch you guys in the next one.